Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayong lahat? Did you know that I could make all of you expert in repairing your own car and save money at the same time? Yes, I can. By watching my videos and my techniques on repairing our cars, you will be an expert in no time. You could be doing DIY projects very slowly and learn very slowly at our pace, and I will follow you and learn with you at the same time. We do a DIY project together. Doing it yourself is a lot of fun, and we could save money at the same time. We don't have to rush doing it. Like those beautiful young ladies and women on YouTube, they're having lots of fun repairing their own cars and getting greasy at the same time. Isn't that wonderful? You could have fun while repairing your cars and getting greasy once in a while. Just be my guest by watching all of my car repair videos, and you are on your way to becoming one of the experts in repairing your own personal cars and having fun at the same time. We could learn at all your speed, and we don't have to rush. Rushing can get us in trouble. We could get hurt and have accident. Let's take our time in learning how to repair your cars. But in the beginning, you watch my video with a cup of coffee, or your snack, or your crackers, or you could have some donuts. But we will learn together, and I will help you with my techniques. When you go to youtube.com, just search my name, Wilfredo L. Reyes, and you will see all my videos. I have now 24 videos on YouTube that you could watch. I have more on car repairs, but I have some cooking also, like making omelets and repairing vertical blinds inside the house that you don't have to throw away. We could learn together on how to fix our sprinklers outside. So, are you ready to have fun and get greasy once in a while? We'll learn slowly. I'll stay with you. And again, just stick with me, watch my videos, and I'd like to have you as my regular viewers. And I will be making more videos, and I will share with you also my email so that you could tell me what else you want to learn. And make sure, please, click the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell so that you could be notified automatically as soon as I upload a new video in learning how to repair and maintenance. So, again, you will become an expert, and I guarantee it. Just you would be famous in your town, your city, or barrios, and wherever you reside, because you can now fix cars with the knowledge you learned from my videos. Just watch all my videos. It's just like going to an automotive school for 2 years, and you will be an expert in no time. Go and buy the book on the screen. It's very good for beginners. It's titled Auto Repair and Maintenance for Beginners by Dave Stribling. I like to add some information regarding my previous video. I am giving away mechanic hand tools for free and no charge. Make sure you just email me on my email that I would put on the screen shortly. And make sure you tell me that you need tools and you don't have any tools to fix your cars, and I will send you the tools. But you give me your complete name, complete address with the zip code, especially in Southeast Asia and anywhere in the world. We need the zip code so that you will get the tools when I send them to FedEx, UPS, or any other means to get them to you. Make sure you give me your complete name, complete address, and telephone number so I could verify that you want the tools. I will put my video, my email address on the screen very shortly. Thank you all very much, and thanks a million for watching my videos, and thanks a million also for subscribing. You could see my email address on the screen, fredbabyclams@gmail.com, Wilfredo L. Reyes. Again, fredbabyclams.com@gmail.com, and my name Wilfredo L. Reyes. This caliper is from a 2005 Mini Cooper, and it's made by BMW. BMW is stamped on the caliper. Now we will retract the piston and the way it should be by turning it clockwise. That is the way to turn it clockwise. It's almost bottoming up already, and you could see it turns clockwise. And now we will back up the piston of the caliper. This is the piston right here. We're gonna back it up all the way back here until it stops. Okay, and make sure you don't step on your brake pedal now. This one will come out if you step on it, and you're gonna make a lot of mess, and you will end up having a hard time putting it back inside this assembly here where the piston goes inside. So make sure you do not step on the brake pedal, and we will hook up the tool in a few seconds. Mona Lisa said, make sure you release the parking brake. Again, Mona Lisa says, release your parking brake, and don't forget, so you could back up the piston. And make sure you open the master cylinder so it could back up the fluid from your caliper piston. This is the way the tool set is arranged in the toolbox, and you have different sizes that you could check. Like this one is smaller than this one, so you get to find the right dimples to match this portion of the caliper piston so you could spin it clockwise. It moves back so you could create spaces for your brand new pads. Now you could see the piston is going to be spinning clockwise like that. That is the way it should move, and back it all the way until it stops. Right now I'm backing it all the way, and you could see it's easy. If you are having a hard time backing up the piston, make sure you follow the next following videos on how to help you move the piston back by opening the brake bleeder valve. And don't forget, you turn it one turn so that the fluid will, or the hydraulic fluid will come out easily, and make sure you put a rag underneath the bleeder valve so it doesn't make a lot of mess. And once you finish backing up the piston, make sure you put back the wire holder for the sensor that's hooked up to the brake pad. And there's a wire holder that goes on top of the bleeder valve assembly that holds the sensor wire so it doesn't vibrate all the time. So we have to remove this by prying it up. Like that. And then you remove it. Like that. Once you remove it, like this is a number 10 box wrench, and you could see it's a number 10, and you could use it to make sure you put a rag around here, and this is the bleeder valve, and make sure the fluid will come out of here, and so it doesn't make a lot of mess. You put a rag, and this is the number 10 metric box wrench combination open. And make sure after you drain the fluid and back up the piston all the way back, make sure you tighten this. And don't forget, that is the bleeder valve, and it will help you in backing up the piston because the fluid doesn't have to go all the way back to the master cylinder. Okay, so remember that. Open this one turn and then close it back when you're finished. Also, don't forget to put this wire sensor assembly to hold it in place so it doesn't vibrate all over. Make sure you put it back like this. There, it's now in place. It's right there. It's now in place. That's the rubber holder for the sensor line that goes to your brake pads. Make sure you put it back, and then you put the rubber cap. That's it. And now it's back in place. Those two, rubber cap and then the holder for this sensor that goes to your dashboard. That's it, you're done. Finally, don't forget to refill the master cylinder to the proper level and make sure you close it so that it does not spill hydraulic fluid all over your engine compartment.